Hey, this is Kerry Baird and thank you very much for coming here. In just a few seconds, you're going to get a guided tour of the software that's already helped over 14,000 people set up their own Amazon business. And these businesses generate numbers like this. $25,000 over 3 months. That's just over $8,000 per month. $20,000 between April and June last year. $514.58 on just the 15th of July. Now that's earnings from the whole Amazon affiliate program, not just from one store. But one of the best parts about Fresh is that you automatically get an unlimited license so that you can have as many stores as you like. But what makes Fresh different? Basically, it's the only Amazon store that's been built from the ground up to be 100% focused on selling Amazon products. Everything about it, the whole code base, is designed to sell. That means with Fresh, your stores actually get traffic and make sales. Even if you don't run any paid ads, people will come and they will buy. Not to mention, they look amazing. So let me show you around. Okay, so this is the 7th release of Fresh Store Builder, and that means it's got more features packed into it than any other Amazon store. I mean, you're looking at 7 solid years of development here, so I'm not going to show off every single feature, but you can check them all out on the sales page below. What I will do is show you the kind of site you'll own when you're using Fresh. So this is the kind of site you get right out of the box. It shows off your best sellers here, and on the left is the categories that you can set up and customize. Even the special offers that you have in the store will automatically show on the homepage. If you don't like this design, no problem at all. There's plenty of other templates and skins to choose from. Now this is the front page, but what I will do is click into a product and show you a bit more detail. Now, you can see all the information here has been pulled over automatically from Amazon. We've got the title, we've got the price, the images, we've got the description, and even the Amazon reviews. This is all done automatically, and it's even updated for you automatically without you having to do anything. Also, the latest version of Fresh includes the user reviews feature and lets you add your own reviews, or your customers can add reviews, which means this content will not appear anywhere else on the web. And we all know that unique content is great for Google and gives you better rankings. So what you're seeing at the moment is basically the automatic version. You can give Fresh an Amazon category and it will automatically find these products for you. That means you can have a store pretty much done and constantly updated with absolutely no work. That means you're no longer limited to just 1 or 2 stores. You can have hundreds if you like. Just let the script do everything. And these automatic stores really do convert. This comment from Jason Lin. I set up FSB with 30 plus products and 5 content pieces. Totally forgot about it, and here's the awesome results. It's literally my first online income that's completely automated. Jason just set up his store and he just forgot about it, then came back one day and found that it had shipped almost $1,400 of product, and that made him a chunk of commissions. It was literally set and forget. But if you're after building a proper Amazon business, there's going to be at least some stores where you'll want to take charge a bit more. And this is where Fresh is really special because you can customize everything. Most Amazon stores pull content in from Amazon and that's it. This means you've got a site full of duplicate content. At best, they may let you change the descriptions, but it can be a really complicated process. You have to go into Wordpress, you have to edit some code, and who wants to do all that? But with Fresh, you can click straight into the description box, just like this, and change anything you want, and then click out. It's as simple as that. Getting more unique content could not be easier. Maybe you want to change the look and feel of your site. All you need to do is go into the template section here in the admin area, choose your new template and click enable. And if you want finer control, there's a lot more options that we can go into here. Let me show you the quick editor, the visual editor. Once we click into here, you can make changes and see them live and see exactly how they look before you click save. Here's the new template that we just chose, and on the left hand side here, I can choose something from the header, maybe the header top bar, and I can change the background color to something completely different. Once I've done that, it should update live on the site. And there you can see exactly how it looks, and you can change all these options as much as you want really easily. Adding products is really easy too. I'll run through it now so you can see how fast it is. If you don't want to use the automatic population options, here we have a simple find product section. In here we can enter a search term. For this site I'm going to enter VTech Dinos, and it'll go to Amazon and it'll pull back a list of all the products. Most of these I've added already, but there's one here that I haven't yet added. So what I'll do is choose a category, and I'll just click the green plus. It should take just a couple of seconds and it's done already. So I'm going to go into the recent products list and just show you how fast that was and exactly what's happened. You can see that the product's been pulled across just 6 seconds ago. You've got all kinds of options here, but I'm just going to go and click in to see it on the actual website itself. As it loads, you can see with the new template we chose just before, all the content has been pulled across. We've got the price, we've got the images, we've got the description, we've got even the product reviews from Amazon. All those have come across instantly. So I hope that gives you an idea of just how easy Fresh is to use. But I also mentioned that it's great for traffic, and here's why. Fresh doesn't just set up a site and leave you to it. It's set up to automatically attract traffic from a variety of free sources so you can get a solid, consistent number of visitors. Here's one of those features. This is our Facebook integration. From here, I can just quickly search for one of my products that's already on the store. I can then choose the product, click add, and edit all these details here if I want to. Once I'm ready with that, I can choose the Facebook page that I want to post it to. I'm just going to choose this little test page that I've got, and I've got two options. I can add it to a queue which will drip feed it later, or I can post it straight to Facebook now. I'm going to post straight to Facebook so you can see what happens. And if we just give it a couple of seconds, it should just come back to say post to Facebook there. And as I flick over to the Facebook page and I give it a refresh, we should just see that it's been added there. Yep, published just now. And that's a link direct to your store, and that's a great way to get traffic in from Facebook. Your store is SEO optimized right out of the box. For every product you add, all the tags and meta titles and meta information is generated automatically, as you can see here for this example product. The same goes for any page on your website. All this data can be edited to by yourself to tweak it to perfection. The whole store is also built on a silo structure, which Google absolutely loves. All your templates are mobile ready, and what I'm showing you on the screen here is how your store will look on a mobile device. As you can see, all the products and everything is nicely arranged and easy to use in a mobile format. As we scroll through these different sizes, you can see it works beautifully on different sized mobiles, on tablets, and any device that anybody wants to use to access your website. And new for version 7, you can also tap into Pinterest. Fresh lets you automatically set up pin boards and post products, and you can see here these are done with rich pins. This means anyone browsing can immediately see this is a product they're able to buy, and all the data automatically updates whenever anything changes. So let me show you that by clicking into one of these pins here. This is a product that's been linked over from one of our Fresh Store Builder stores. Because it's a rich pin, you get the price, the stock, the title, and the photo, and it's all updated automatically. As I click through into it, it will go to the product information page on your store. From here, the visitor will buy, they'll add it to cart, they'll shop around. It's a great way to get extra traffic and traffic that converts. With the amount of people searching Pinterest now for things like clothes, gadgets, toiletries, anything that looks cool, anything that's quirky in any way, this is an awesome way of picking up extra traffic, and it all comes for free. So finally, you don't just get more traffic, you get better conversions too. This is why 14,000 people use Fresh. It actually does make them money. With most Amazon stores, when one of your prospects clicks buy, they're taken straight through to Amazon. They are forced to leave your site, so all opportunities for selling more stuff and getting more commissions are lost. Your Fresh site comes with its own shopping cart. Watch what happens when one of your customers decides to buy. Here on one of my test stores, I'm just going to go and find a product and click add to cart. Now, as you can see, I've got a message and the cart up here updated automatically without leaving the page. That's the Ajax cart, another brand new feature. It gives your customers an incredibly smooth experience, which means they buy more, and more products means more commissions for you. I don't know any other Amazon store that makes it this easy to buy. And when they're done, they just click into their basket and they click checkout, and it takes them to Amazon with a full shopping cart. Just like this. Your customers are going to find it far easier to buy more stuff, and that means more commissions for you. And these are just some of the reasons why Fresh stores give you absolutely amazing results. And every time you make a sale, you can see it on your dashboard over here. So you don't have to dig through the data. You can see which stores are performing, what's doing well. It's really clear and really obvious. So, looks good? None of what you've seen here is an add-on or an extra. You get all that right out of the box. That's why Fresh has had some brilliant customer testimonials, and it's had some brilliant customers. People have done really, really well using Fresh to power their Amazon stores. Even here, we've only just scratched the surface of what Fresh can do. But if you want to check out all the features for power users, have a look at the page below. But be warned, there are a lot of them. So let's talk about the important stuff. What kind of deal are we going to make you today? First of all, you probably guessed that a site builder this comprehensive doesn't come cheap. We're paying for ongoing development, a full-time support desk, and a customer forum. We're not just another fly-by-night plugin. This is just the latest release of a product that's been around and growing for years. That's why, after this launch, Fresh is becoming a monthly subscription. You'll have to pay $97 a month for a 10-store license. But for this launch, and only while this launch is running, when we're done this page is being removed, for this launch you can pick up a lifetime unlimited license for virtually the same price. For the next few days only, you can get lifetime access for just $99.95. And for that you can have unlimited sites and a developer license, so you can build and flip stores as well as making them for yourself. And if you're not quite ready to go at it full throttle, personal licenses are also available. And even at this discounted price, you get free updates through the whole of version 7 and every little bit of functionality. But this is going to be your only chance to get in at this low price. All you have to do is choose your license below now and you'll get an instant download. That means you'll be joining the over 14,000 people who already use Fresh for their Amazon businesses. Have a look at what some of them have said below. You're going to be really impressed. What you're getting here is the ability to own sites like this, and this, and this, without needing to hire a designer or write a single line of code. What you're getting is sites that get traffic, sites that look amazing, and sites that have been proven to drive passive commissions. All you have to do is get a picture in your mind of what you're going to build. Maybe a computer site, cameras, or something different like organic food. There's so many niches out there just waiting to be exploited. Can you see it? Awesome. Now choose your license below and make it happen. Thanks for listening. Click that button now and we'll see you in the members area.